Welcome to my 10-part series that covers the new features of Revit 2015 Release 2. I'm counting down from 10. This is video number 2. Start defaulting at the origin. A minor change that can really help you is the default import and link positioning. In the past, the default positioning has been auto center to center, but now when you link a Revit model, link a CAD file, or import a CAD file, the default positioning option is auto origin to origin. Also along the lines of linked Revit files, there is a new status that displays when a linked model is in a closed workset. For example, if you have a linked Revit model but cannot see it anywhere, you can check the status in the Manage Links dialog. If the linked model is in a closed workset, the status will be set to In Closed Workset. So hopefully this update can keep you from banging your head against the wall when you can't find the linked model. There is also a new option available when exporting to CAD formats. To see this, expand the application menu and select Export, Options, Export Setups DWG-DXF. Then on the General tab, there is a Preserve Coincident Lines option. This option is also available when exporting DGN files. When this option is selected, model lines that coincide with other lines will be maintained. In most models, there are several instances where elements share a plane. This results in model lines that coincide in the drawing. A common example is furniture or casework placed along a wall. When exporting to CAD formats, coincident lines are not preserved by default. So you may end up with missing lines in a CAD file once you start turning certain layers off. For example, walls may appear broken when furniture layers are turned off. Finally, you can now use geometry in a linked IFC model as references for dimensions, alignments, snapping, and hosting of some face-based families in the Revit model. Additionally, the elements in the IFC file are assigned to a default face. These changes are a part of an increased effort to improve the interoperability with IFC models. If you work with IFC files often, whether it's linking or exporting, take a look at IFC for Autodesk Revit on the Autodesk Exchange Apps website. This app is not needed to link or export IFC files, but it contains up-to-date improvements on the default IFC import and export capabilities of Revit.